How you doing, guys and gals? Welcome back to another video. A little bit of top water here where we just got to the spot. It's right behind me over here. We're gonna walk this pond. We got like 2.5 hours to fish. See if we can get a quick video out of it. I'll show you what we're using real quick. We're just using worms like this, and then just top waters. I'm using this one right here, top water frog. And then Xavier's is gonna be this one, the Biggin squad, popping frog. All right, we just made it to the spot. Let's throw our frogs around and see what happens. Oh, I just had one. Holy cow. That was quick.
Scared being right next to you.
Do I still have them? No, I don't think so. Oh. All right, we just made it to the new spot here. Same place we fished the other day on our last video, actually. But we're gonna see if we can catch a few fish before we gotta go. I gotta go to work. Xavier's probably gotta take a bath. Ain't that right? But let's get out there. I just got this new Lose speed spool with this bionic blade. It's just a Bass Pro Shops rod, pretty much. Let's see if we can get one out there. No, the water is definitely higher. Where are you catching them? Just out here?
Just sending them.
How you doing it? You working it fast, slow? No. Definitely not a small one. Like, not by any means. Pretty decent? Pretty decent save, huh? Pretty decent. That's like a 3. That's like a 3, bro. Let's go. Let's go. It is. Pretty good fish. I'm guessing, well, let's get him on it right now. $3.10. All right, we're gonna take him off the scale. I'm gonna put him in the water. We're gonna keep the cameras rolling though, just in case if I get him off. I wanna take a picture of him. So. You can put the camera down, just point it at me, Zay. Do it like that. Yeah. All right, buddy. Be nice to me. Oh no. All right, maybe we should just get the picture now. You wanted to go back in the water. I just want to take a picture with him. Okay, yeah, I'll show you how to do it real quick. Go like this. There you go. Good? Yep. All right. Oh, I got it. There she is. There she goes.
Oh yeah, son.
Is that a good one? No, that's not a bad one. Holy crap. Why are they biting so good right here? Not bigger than mine, but it's two. Dude.
Oh, and it didn't even choke it right on the side of the lip. You want to toss me like this?
Yeah, sure.
Oh. Is the camera on?
Yeah. Should be. Yeah, it's on.
Yeah.
Go ahead, put him back.
What is this one? Oh God.
That might be another good one.
Decent. Well, maybe a bit bigger.
Dude, why are they just so stacked right there? Dude, that's like another 3. Cut it out.
There you go.
There's another one. Put him on a scale, but I think he's like
About the same size.
Almost 3. I'll get this guy. There he goes. Dave's got one. Oh, small guy.
Yeah.
But that's a good size one. That's the smallest of the day. I wasn't filming, but I just caught this one right here. He's a fat guy. But yeah, there he is. I wasn't even filming. I didn't even realize. But there he goes. That might be a good one, Zave.
I'm glad you're catching the fish.
Yep. It's not terrible. About the same size we've been catching. Ah, there he is. Get him off real quick. Get the release. Or I can hold him up a little bit better for you. Huh. There he is.
Right there. Oh, right next to a worm.
What worm?
Destroyed worm.
Oh.
Alright, I'm putting it on this rock.
I'm so mad at myself right now. I wasn't even filming. Crap. He hit it on the top water too, but I caught that guy. We're gonna get over here. Xavier's bringing the scale over. You won't be able to see him, but he's way over there. He's coming. I'm gonna get this guy off, hold him here for just a couple seconds, and while he comes over and gives me the scale. So we'll be right back. He just slipped out of my hand. He just swam off though. You can see the wake. Crap! Slipped out of my hand. You guys saw it though. Sorry I didn't get the catch. I didn't even know I wasn't filming. I thought I was. No, I suck. But it doesn't seem like anything's happening over here anymore. So we're gonna go over there, fish that for a little bit, and then call it a day. I gotta get to work here soon. So meet you over there. Come on, Big Sheila. It's not a bad one either. Woohoo! I mean,
Got it on top top water. There's that.
I think he might have wanted it. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Caught some topwater fish, caught some 3-pounders, 2-pounders, some cookie cutters. Supposed to be a topwater challenge, ended up just being fishing. But hey, it was good fishing. Caught a bunch of fish, load of fun. Sorry I missed a couple of them on camera. I thought the GoPro was rolling, but I guess I shut it off. That's just how it is sometimes. But yeah, we'll see you guys on the next video. See ya.